So a temporary solution until they make a case that has a kickstand like this and one with hinge protection. This is, I guess, the next best thing. Right here. VELCRO. Stick one there, stick it on the pen. Makes the pen a little bit fatter. Just stick it on. It's sleek. Put it on. It's still, yeah, it doesn't lay flat obviously, but it doesn't come off. You actually have to put some effort into taking this off. So it's not bad. Nice and light. It's sleek. Like I said, if they can get... See, I put one on here too. I put a strip of VELCRO there too. So this, you get the hinge protection. You can keep the pen with you. But no flap. See? No flap. So if they can add something like that onto this, that would be great.